We had a review meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister relating to the restrictions issued from time to time by the state government in connection with the fight against the COVID-19, as you are all know. So today we had a review meeting and few decisions were taken. Number one, night curfew, because you know well, night curfew was imposed from 11 o'clock up to 5 o'clock in the morning. The curfew will still continue. The night curfew will still continue till further order. Number two, the public transport. Public transport, as far as Shillong city is concerned, the previous order, which was issued by Transport Department on rotational basis, which means odd and even number. Today we decided to withdraw this, and public transport will no longer be restricted. 100% will be allowed to be on the road with immediate effect. That is the decision taken today relating to public transportation. Then as far as private transportation is concerned, odd even number will still continue. Relating to private transportation, odd and even number will continue till further order. Number three, the restriction on religious places. Again, as you are all aware, we allowed that time 1/3 from the total capacity of each local church or each worshipping or religious places. This time we allowed 75%. It is no longer 1/3 but 75% from the total strength of the members will be allowed in the religious or worshipping places with immediate effect. Hostels, as you are all aware, government has issued restrictions on opening up of hostels, and still that time we did not allow hostels to be operationalized. And today in the review meeting we decided that hostels will be allowed to reopen with immediate effect. Then the crèches, that time we did not allow even crèches, and this time private crèches is also allowed to again reopen in the entire state. Then again, relating to social gatherings like Dorbar, meetings, Dorbar functions, whatever functions, in the village level or in the locality level, whatever. Again, now from 1/3, because that also was restricted to 1/3 capacity, this one also is increased to 75%, where the capacity of the attendees is allowed. 75% of the attendees is allowed. This will also include like private gathering, private function, weddings, family get together, funeral, anniversary, so on and so forth. 75% now it is allowed. Then sports activities, Again, sports activities. Now, all sports activities is allowed, but again, the restriction is 75%. For those people who participate, means who goes to the playground for watching the sports activities, again, the number of attendees is again restricted. Not 1/3 anymore, but 75%. Next, tourist spots. Tourist spots is now again open. No more restriction is imposed, and restriction has been lifted again with immediate effect. And also we allowed children below the age of 10 years who accompany their relative or their parents or whatever, along with the senior citizens. It is now allowed for visiting the tourist spots in different parts of the state. Then we do have this restriction as far as private business organization office is concerned. Again, this also has been lifted. There is no more restriction. 100% attendance is allowed with immediate effect. Then it is also now permitted the activities like fete, fishing competitions, raffle draw, youth week, or any types of fundraising activity. That also is now allowed. And this, these relaxations made is again, let me just repeat it very clearly. These relaxation made by the government is again subjected to complete compliance of the SOPs to be issued by the concerned department along with the health department. SOPs will always be in place till the vaccination coverage is completed. SOPs still will be in place. Again, next point we discussed today relating to reopening of school in the junior level, meaning class 1 to class 5. That time we still did not allow Shillong, Juwai, Tura for reopening of the classes, class 1 up to class 5. So in the review meeting, again the government has decided to allow class 1 to class 5 with immediate effect for partial reopening. Let me just explain to you. Partial reopening means the concerned school authority can have a consultative classes with the students, but not in a regular basis. It's only partially opening of such schools. And this again, SOPs should be also strictly compliant as per the notification issued by the health department. And this, as I said, this school, primary school, class 1 to class 5, it's only for Shillong, Juwai, and Tura. Because till today, we did not allow the school authority to open up the school, be it fully or be it partially. But with immediate effect, it is allowed, and we will communicate to all the school management authority. We leave it to their wisdom, but from the government side, we will allow them to start their school partially, class 1 2+5. So these are the decision taken by the government today.